I think Mormon Studies at UVA is a really special and unique program. First of all, we have a terrific collection of documents here, the Prince Collection, which contains a lot of things that you can't find anywhere else outside of Utah. So researchers who can't make it all the way out west can come here and study parts of the tradition that they're interested in. We also have a lot of books just in the library that also cover a lot of aspects of Mormon traditions. I also think it's important because we are close to Washington, and the LDS Church is an American institution that has a very strong presence in the Washington area with a lot of supportive donors and guests and friends who come to our events and who are interested in seeing the study of their tradition amplified in this part of the world. So it's an exciting place to be doing this. And UVA is a wonderful institution with a superb religious studies department, and Mormon Studies is within the religious studies department itself. And so that there are conversations going on with scholars of other religious traditions, other world religions, and it kind of puts the study of Mormonism in a comparative context.